Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Mondays with Mylo. I'm your host, Mylo. So today I'm going to talk about the different hats that we wear as loan originators, mortgage advisors, loan officers. You'll hear so many different titles for the same job. What we do first and foremost is guide you through the beginning of the home mortgage process. What does that mean exactly? That means that we take your application, or you fill it out online, but once the application is done, that we're right there with you, verifying all the information, that we make sure to receive all the documentation and requested, of course, that we need to verify what is on that application. For example, W-2s, tax returns, bank statements, pay stubs, all of those things help us verify that what is on the application is true and accurate. That is key for our job, right? My job is to make sure that you don't buy too much house, that you are not mortgage poor. What does that mean exactly? It means that you have put yourself in a position that you can afford, but that probably wasn't the wisest choice. I make sure that you make the wisest choice by having all of the numbers and all of the information necessary to make that choice. Now, with that said, I do wear different hats. This is my credit hat. So what I do is, when necessary, of course, is advise you on some of the elementary ways to improve your credit score. For example, an FHA guideline for FICO scores for your credit score is 580. If you do an application with me and you come in at a 565, let's say, I have the capability to run a report called a what if scenario that tells me, what if John Doe pays $2,000? What happens? Well, what it will tell me is, if you pay $2,000, your credit score will go up 25 points. This is an example, of course, but what does that mean? It means that within 3 to 5 days of you taking care of that debt, you are now qualified to proceed with a mortgage loan. It means that you can avoid an expensive, lengthy run with a credit repair company. Now, I have nothing against credit repair companies at all. I have a couple of referral partners, and if it gets beyond my scope, then I will refer you to them. But for anything up to typically 60 points, I can assist you. It is something that separates me from other loan officers out there, so just something to keep in mind when you're thinking about why choose Mylo. There's one of the reasons why to choose me. The other thing I want to talk to you about today on Monday with Mylo, and another hat that I wear, is financial advisor. What? Yeah, I mean, I guess I could turn it this way, but I won't. We'll go back to the front. Financial advisor, you may think falls in line with you're my loan originator, but really what I do is, based on all the documentation that you give me, I advise you financially. And if you have a financial advisor, many times I'll get on the phone with your financial advisor, because if you're trying to transfer money out of a 401k, or if you're trying to transfer money from wherever you have it, I like to have that conversation with your advisor so they know, one, you're in great hands with me, and two, we're on the same page for your fiscal fitness. It is vitally important that you are financially secure, not only throughout the process of getting the loan, but throughout the term that you own your home. Here's where I'll cut it off for today. Tune in next week for another Monday with Mylo, and I can't wait to share more information with you that you will find valuable. Have a great week.